Yeah, in this stage of our class, we'll be talking about trading plan and journalizing our trades. Okay, trading plan and trade journaling or journaling trades. Okay, so let's get to business. What is a trading plan? A trading plan defines what is supposed to be done, why, when, and how. It covers your trader's personality, personal expectation, risk management rules, and your trading system. So your trading plan defines everything concerning your trading career. Your trading plan, there's no trader that doesn't have a trading plan, okay? Trading plan defines what's supposed to be done, why, when, and how. It covers the trader's personalities, expectation, your risk management rules, and your trading system. So basically, what that means is that the trading plan is everything concerning your forex, okay? Throughout your whole journey in forex, you're gonna be needing a trading plan. Okay, without a trading plan, you are not a trader. As simple as that, because trading plan tells you when do I trade, why do I take this trade, how do I enter this trade, how do I exit this trade. Your trading plan also covers how do I control my emotions, what are my expectations, what are my risk management rules, and what's my trading system or strategy. Okay. Yes, differences between trading plan and trading strategy slash system. A trading system defines how you will enter and exit a trade. A trading system is part of your trading plan, but it's just one several important parts. That's analysis, execution, and risk management. Okay. The trading system defines how you will enter a trade. While your trading plan contains the trading system. That's the trading system is part of your trading plan. Okay. So you can't have a you can have a trading system without a trading plan. Sorry. You can have a trading plan without a trading system. But you can't have a trading plan. You can't have a trading system without a trading plan. So you have to have a trading plan for you to have a trading system. Alright? Why do I need a trading plan? A trading plan will make trading simpler than it would be if you traded without one. Because it's gonna tell you when should I trade, what time of the day should I trade. This trade I'm taking, what's my reason? What's the story behind this trade? That's what a trading plan will tell you. A trading plan is your trading GPS. It will show you where you currently are as a trader. That it tells you your progress, your growth in the industry. That's what your trading plan does. It's your trading GPS. It helps you to get to your destination, which is consistent profitability. So as a trader, your trading plan is your trading GPS. It tells you where you are at a particular time as a trader. Are you improving or not? Someone without a trading plan cannot determine if he's improving or not. Trading plan will help you get to your destination, which is consistent profitability. A trading plan helps you to know if you are headed in the right direction or not. Trading plan helps you to know if what you are doing is right or wrong, if you are going in the right way. A trading plan tells you to do if what you are doing is right or wrong. So a trading plan is very important. There are 4 reasons why you need a trading plan. A trading plan makes trading simpler for you. It's your trading GPS. It shows you where you are currently as a trader. It helps you know if you are headed in the right direction or not. And it tells you if what you are doing is right or wrong. Factors that needed to be considered when forming a trading plan. There are some specific factors that a trader needs to consider. There's some specific factors a trader needs to consider when forming or creating a trading plan. Number one, your trading plan needs to be it needs to be smart. Your trading plan needs to be smart. It needs to be specific. It needs to be measurable. It needs to be achievable. It needs to be realistic. And it needs to be time bound. Smart in the sense that your trading plan contains, okay, this trade I want to place, this is the reason, this is why I want to be placing this trade. Smartness. It needs to be specific, that it needs to have direction, a target. Measurable. You can measure your plan. Achievable. This thing I'm saying, this thing I'm keeping, is it achievable? Your trading plan needs to be achievable. Realistic. You won't say, I want to sleep today and wake up tomorrow morning with $1 million. That's not realistic. I have to trust the process. So that's your trading plan needs to be realistic. It needs to be time bound. That is to say, it needs to control your time. Your time as trader. So a trader, you don't want to spend 24 hours a day on the Forex chart. No, that's not why you're doing for it. You have to, your trading plan will help you to be time bound. Okay? Now we're gonna move into the next topic. What is a trading journal? A trading journal is where you record and review daily trades for better output and for future references. Your trading journal is a book or a software or an application where you can record, keep review. In our offices and our companies, they have to keep a record of the things, activities that are done in the companies. So in as much as in your trading career, you need to keep a record of your daily trades to produce better results for future references. Okay? What is trade journaling? Trade journaling is an act of recording and revealing daily trades for future outputs. So trade journaling is an act of recording and reviewing the daily trades for future outputs. Why trade journal? It's where you record and review daily trades. Trade journaling is an act, it's the process of doing it. Okay? Apps to journal our trade. What are the apps we use to journal our trade? The two most common apps for journaling our trade are Tradinal for iOS users, Trade Journal for Android users, and Notion. But in this class, I would be focusing more on Notion because Notion seems to have more tools. Notion is the best. Some people can choose to put on document, Google Docs, and the rest, but these are two recommended apps. For Android users, you have the Trade Journal on the Play Store and Trade Journal for iOS users on the App Store. Then the most common one is Notion, both for Android users and for iOS users, and also for your PC or computer. All right. Why should I journal my trade? Reasons why I should journal my trade: defining yourself and your situation in life. Journaling your trade helps you define yourself and your situation in life. Journaling your trade helps in keeping progress of your goals you have set in your trading plan. It helps to keep progress. Okay, I have set particular goals. It helps you to keep how far have I gone. Okay, it clarifies your weakness and strengthens strength in your ability to perform and handle pressure. Generally your trade helps you to clarify your weakness whenever you want to place a trade, and also add trends in your ability to perform and handle pressure. It can serve as a way to self-coach and improve on your own. Your trading journal serves as a way to self-coach and also improve on your own. Okay? What's the next 5 things you must have in your journal? Number 1, market view and philosophy. Your journal must contain the market view, how you want to approach the market. All right? Observation of the market. Your journal must contain how you observe the market. Your journal must contain trading mistakes and missed opportunities. You don't just put your profitable trades in your journal. You have to also put your mistakes and the missed opportunities. Okay? Your journal contains your performance statistics. What's my performance? How have I grown in the past couple of days, past couple of weeks? That's what your journal does. Okay? Who you are and motivation to trade Forex. Your journal should have your motivation. So any day you enter into your journal, you have to see that motivation. So at any time you want to quit trading Forex because you're probably taking much losses, and you go to your journal and you're like, yes, your motivation is still there. I have that eagerness to keep trying once more, right? Things you must keep in your journal. But your journal must contain potential trading area, your entry trigger, position size or lot size, trade management rules, and trade retrospective. So your journal must contain potential trading areas, entry triggers, position size, the trade management rules, and trade retrospective. All right. So having understood what trading journal and trading plan is all about, we're gonna be having a quick look at my trading journal and also my trade plan. All right. So let's get to business. My trading rules, you clearly see my trading rules covers everything from my higher time frame analysis to my lower time frame analysis, my entry criteria, my exit rules, my risk management, my session and timing, trade management, my psychology. I plan my trade and I take my plan. I'm a disciplined trader, alright? So if you go through the trading rules from the top here, you see on a higher time frame, what am I looking out for? I'm looking at my daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour, 15 minutes time frame. Time I'm looking for BOS, liquidity sweep, mitigation processing, demand or supply zone refined to 5 minutes, change of character. My lower time frame, I'm looking for change of character or BOS, liquidity sweep. The entry, we're looking for change of character / BOS and supply demand flip or an also inception type of entry, which will be explained in the course. While on the exit, I have my Pro 10 targets, highs or lows, close 50% after I break up major structure, close 80% of the trade at 1:10. And my counter trend targets nearest supply and demand and close 100% or reaching the target. The risk management, 0.5% risk per trade. Session and timing, when do I trade? London session, I trade from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. local time. The New York session, I trade from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So once price causes a change of character and waste more than 20 minutes to reply to the supply demand flip, we're gonna use inception. My trade management, 50% at TP1, 30% at TP2, and 10% at TP3. Break-even trade after a break of structure. My psychology tells me 2 losses a day and I'm done for the day. 1 win and I'm also done for the day. Either take profit of stop loss, 5 losses and I'm done for the week. 5 wins and I'm done for the weeks. Maximum of 7 trades a week. Minimum of 3 trades a week. I plan my trade. I take my plan. So, heading over to my trade journal. So let us see here. Not that one, this one. My trade journal here. Now, at the top of my trade journal, I plan my trades. I take my trade. I take my plan. Sorry, I'm a disciplined trader. I trade what I see, not what I think. Okay. So if you clearly look at my screen here, you clearly see on January 2022, I have all the trades I've taken. I've been journal out in days, and I usually give out the weekly review. And throughout January, I had a potential gain of 206% January review. I have to put in everything. I always come back at the end of the week to give a review of my trading journal. All right. So let's check, for example, on January 2nd, 2022, what can we see on my screen? I clearly see that I have a trade taken on January 2022. I made a profit of $10,000, which is 20% of my account. This was what I was seeing on my higher time frame. Then my 15 minutes time frame. This was what I had in London session. What can we see there? So we're gonna open it. The template will be shared in the community on Discord. You guys will be getting a template on this. Okay. So on my template, you clearly see at the London session, I made net RR I made was 20% of the account, and I just had 10% because I reached 0.5%, which was currently $10,000. And you can clearly see the first entry was taken when price reached our 15 minutes supply zone, and I saw a change of character on the 1 minute time frame, and enter with validation / inception entry. I exited on the 15 minutes time frame demand. So this is the screenshot on the 15 minutes PIO upon price reaching the 15 minutes point of entry, and you can clearly see the trades taken. Now, on the second entry I had was the second entry, price came to the demand zone. I saw a change of character on the 1 minute. I did an inception entry on that. Exited when price fell liquidity and came to our supply zone. This is what we currently have here. This is the entry of the trade, and this is the outcome of the trade. Okay. So basically, that's just it. You have to give reasons on your trade. This is under trader, I think. Yeah, the 15 minutes analysis. My 15 minutes analysis is what I have here. Okay. This is what we call journal your trade. The New Year session, I didn't take any trades, so that's why I aren't seeing anything there. If you go to that was on 3rd of January. If you check out the 4th of still January, 4th of January, I had my entry model A. I made just $600 at 0.5%. I think this was on my $10,000 account, reaching 0.5. I had a 15 RR gain. So if you check on this, I have on my higher time frame, what could I see? I had my 4 hour time frame lookout, my daily time frame lookout, and my weekly time frame outlook. So going to the next, you can clearly go down. You see on London session, I clearly see price give entry model A, just a change of character, and price came back and wasted more than 30 minutes. We turned into the zone, hence I missed the trade. In this scenario, I missed the trade. Okay, there was no trade taken at that point. Then the next one I took was entry 2, 15 minutes PIO. Price came back to our supply zone. Highlighted, looking for a change of character which is formed. Market created 2 zones which would be on inception entry, which I did. You can clearly see where I took my trade from, and you clearly see I had a The exit trade was when price returned to the demand zone that led to a break of structure to the upside, and that's when I had my exit. This is a 1 is to 15 hour trade. Okay, as of January, let me take a look. Let's check whether I could see any loss on it. There, we're gonna still go through my journal. On this day, I had a win. Okay, so it seems most days if I stick to my trading plan, I do always have a win. If I stick to my trading rules. So what did I make on this day? On this day, the day's game is not yet okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, I had my forward analysis screenshots. I screenshotted and kept there my daily analysis, my 1 week analysis, weekly analysis. Okay, moving on to the next. On the London session, market was creating series of higher highs and break of structure. Then I saw a change of character and I entered of the inception entry. Okay, and this was the trade. It was the entry. Clear. You could clearly see I had my reason, and it was a winning trade, which was for a 1 is to 19 RR trade, and I had just 9.5%, which was $9,000 on this trade on my profit account. Okay, having a stable profit account. Then let's check out what I did on the 6th of February. I'm looking for a loss to show that you don't just generalize winning trade. I think that was the winning trade too. Then yeah, also a winning trade here. So probably throughout that week I didn't take any loss. I'm looking for a week, a day I took a loss. I'll also show you guys you don't just on this day I took a loss, okay? Just one loss, alright? And I lost only $40 on that particular trade. So $500 on that trade. So let's take a look at what we had here on our 4 hour time frame. This is what we got. On our daily time frame, on our weekly time frame, that's what we got. You generalize everything, then overview price tapped into our zone. So I got an entry when price gave a change of character and took a stop loss, but I ran to TP. Okay, after price took out my trade. Okay, but trade ran to TP. That I had some confluences here which I still went out and found the reason for that trade. Then we clearly at the end of the week, I had my weekly review here. What happened throughout the week? On Monday, I made 20 hour. On Tuesday, 15 hour. On Friday, another 19 hour. Just one trade with 19 hour. And follow the rules and be patient. Trade what you see. I know what you think. That was the lesson I learned there. Then this other day, okay, there's nothing there. Good. And let's check the other week. I took a loss. So if you go through the week I took a loss, clearly I had a win, took a loss, had a win. Market didn't mean my entry criteria, so I didn't take it with patient, do space, don't force trade, wait for it to come to you. So at the end of every week, I always review each of the trades taken, okay? So on Monday, took a win, no trade, a win. Don't force trade, just be patient. So at the end of every week, what do? I always go back to review my trades. Always go back to review your trades at the end of the week. So that's what makes you a good trader. Then if you scroll down the template, I also backtest. So backtesting, I usually come here and just what I've learned after backtesting. And my trading plan is also still written here. This is where you have your businesses and your taxes. My taxes aren't written here. That's kind of private stuff. Okay. So with that's everything about Notion. This is a template which I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in the community. Now, what we have here is our news. Okay. The news effect. So once I want to journal my trade in the morning or probably like do anything, I can first of all probably check the news for the day. Now, any of these things can be deleted and customized to your own test. Okay, this is my trading dashboard. And remember your trading rules. Okay, so with that being said, we have come to the end of the basis of Forex. This is the particular section as a whole, the basis of Forex as a whole. So the next section we're going to be opening will be our psychology session. Then, before moving into the strategy, I hope you guys enjoyed your time with us.